Are you getting ready to do your very first publicity campaign? Or are you a seasoned business owner and you've done several publicity campaigns with little success? Well, just to let you in on a secret. There are a few things you can do to make sure that you have a successful publicity campaign and that you reach a lot of those appropriate media outlets that might pick up your story. My name is Lou Stasko, and I'm a strategic brand publicist and an expert in PR. And I work with top successful leaders of business and in organizations just like you. And whether you are doing a big launch or you have a company announcement, I help you design a plan, I bring in all the right resources, and then I create a buzz in the media and the public. So all the work you're doing, it doesn't go wasted. It has a purpose and it can really make an impact, either globally or locally. I've helped hundreds of clients with publicity campaigns throughout the years, and I really know that if you focus on key items such as messaging, you will have much more success than just going at it blindly. So with your messaging, you want to make sure it's clear, it's concise, it's memorable. You also want to make sure that you have the value proposition of your product or service is mentioned in that messaging. And if you keep that in mind before you do any pitching to the media outlets, I guarantee you'll have a little bit more success than just going at it blindly. If you would like to have more information on how to have a successful publicity campaign, go to my website, stascoagency.com, and click on my free download of the 5 tips for a successful publicity campaign. And I'm sure that will help you with this step in your messaging. And in the meantime, remember that now is the time that you bring your vision to life.